I mean, we always started off, Mike, you got to tell me how golf's been. You know, I'm sure you're sucking the very last breaths out of summer, but how's it been for you?
Well, you know what? It was golf has been very good. My game's getting worse every day
Oh,
as the
no.
season ends. You know, the more you play, the worse you get. But I did play yesterday. Got down to the 18th hole, but we walked away with nobody owing anybody anything. But the match was toe to toe, hole by hole. But it was so much fun.
No, good. I mean, hey, I'm terrible. So the fact that, I mean, usually you walk away with a few bucks, so I'm surprised, but.
No, I can honestly say I've been on the losing end of the games of late.
The end of the season doesn't do well for you, huh, Mike?
No.
Well, either way, let's talk some marble stuff.
Yeah.
You know, I guess people would love just a general update, and also, you know, if there's any, I guess, news about ClearHaven. I know we've teased it a bunch, but if you wanted to give an update just in general, and we'll go from there.
Marble's been, you know, continuing to execute on its strategy. The ClearHaven transaction, like anything else, we've been hijacked by the lawyers and slowly but surely getting through it. I think, you know, in the next couple of weeks, we should be, we should have a definitive agreement in front of us, and we can start lending on the fast track program and start executing on that $100 million forward flow, which both sides are more than excited to get going on it. You know, we've had enough with the lawyers, and we're all kind of got deal fatigue, and we just want to get what's going forward. So we're all pretty excited. ScoreUp is exceeding our expectations month over month. We're beating our goals every month on the subscription-based model with ScoreUp offers. And you know, in these times and as credit's getting tighter and tighter, it's becoming more and more mainstream and should be part of everyone's repertoire going forward. We're getting real close to launching Marble 2.0 next month, which will be in October, which will be a big milestone for us in the ability for consumers to really get a 360-degree picture on their finances, and the different solutions we offer, and a really robust menu on different products, different educational and literacy programs that we offer, and all about keeping people as financially healthy as they possibly can.
Yeah. No, extremely awesome. Lots of good updates. Good to hear ScoreUp's crushing it.
Yeah.
You know, curious, you know, what do you want to talk about any of those numbers for ScoreUp? You know, what is exceeding, you know, what you guys even expected?
Well, you know what? Our goal was, you know, when we launched it in February, March, that we'd have about 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I can say that we're just about there.
Oh, it's awesome. And that's even before some of the bigger stuff and the Marble.
Yeah. You know what? With the Marble 2.0, that comes with an API that's going to allow us to white label a product. So that will enable us to go into some of these partner sites that have hundreds of thousands of users that they're going to be offering the product to. So, you know, us crushing it on 100 subscriptions in a month, you know, which is 3 a day. And if you're really only looking there's only 20 days on a month, which is 5 a day going forward, and it continues to grow. The hockey stick effect of the growth of ScoreUp is just around the corner for us. We're really excited for finishing off the last quarter of the year, what it's gonna mean to the company.
No, very exciting times. Obviously, ClearHaven around the corner. So we hope, and tons of other things.
Credit Beacon should be out by the end of the year, which is our secured credit card with our partner. Credit Meds should be, if not ready by the end of the year, in Q1 of 2021, which will be software offered to all the licensed insolvency trustees. And yeah, it's never a dull moment around here. And I gotta say, I gotta do a big shout out to the whole crew and staff to be able to everybody work from home without missing a beat.